Hey guys, VR&R back, and today we're going to get on doing these coil packs on this pickup truck, this 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. We're going to be doing the coil pack today on this 5.7 liter Hemi V8 Magnum, and let's get started. Now, with these 5.7 liter Hemis, I don't know if it's like this in the Durangos and other things, but the clearance for the brake booster and coil packs on this side is very tight. So I'm going to show you guys how to get around that. And then this side, it's pretty easy. So I'm going to show you how to make some clearance to get to those coil packs. All you're going to want to do is take out that 10mm screw, that 10mm screw right there. And then there's also a sensor next to it. And then just take the whole airbox assembly out. And I'll show you how much more room we got. I got my Ryobi ratchet with 10mm socket. You can just do it with a ratchet. This just makes it quicker and easier. Okay. You're going to want to go ahead and take this hose off the air box and probably off the oil fill. And just set that aside. And then you got to take off probably just this one. It's a flathead screwdriver for a hose clamp. Loosen that guy up. Take off this little electrical connector. Just squeeze it. You can take that all out in one piece if you want. If it makes it easier. Alright guys, now look at, here's what you're left with. Wicked easy to do it on this side, and now you can get in from the top to change out these coil packs. So when you're changing out these coil packs, all you have is two 10mm screws, one at the top, one at the bottom. You take that out, and then you have a plug wire right here. You just pop that guy off. Get this screwdriver. There we go. Just pop that guy off, and then with these connectors, it's a little hard to show you on the camera, but once I get the connector off, I'll show you how to remove it. You don't just squeeze it and pull it off. It doesn't work like that. You got two 10mm screws. Just take your ratchet and just loosen those guys right up. Okay, now for the connector, I'm going to go ahead and pop that guy out. Alright, now on the connector, you see this little red thing? On one side, it's going to be flat with a ridge. And you're going to take your flathead screwdriver, push that all the way against to the ridge, and then push it down. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. And then that guy will pull out, and now you can just pull this clip right off, just like that. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to make sure your contact clicks just like that. Slide your boot down. All right, take your connector, slide your connector on, and push that red thing over. Make sure it's not going anywhere. Go ahead and slide her in, just like that. I always like to start my bolts before I grab my ratchet. Tighten those guys up. And just like that, guys, there you go. there's one change. So I'm going to go ahead and go through and change the rest of these, and I'm just going to do a time lapse. Alright guys, we got the, looking at the engine, we got the right side bank coil packs all finished up. Those are all done. That's the hard side. So, we're going to go ahead and get on to this side. This side should be a breeze. No problem.
Ryan Little.
Alright guys, got all the coil packs done. We got everything all buttoned up. Got the air box back in. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, all done. Pretty easy. Takes about 2 hours, hour and a half if you're pretty handy. But like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.